Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you an impressive listing at 2504 Spanish Bay Drive. This is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage home that's set on a beautiful lot in Monterey Hills. The home has a ton of impressive amenities and a lot to be seen, so please step inside. Entering on beautiful flooring, our living room is open, bright, complete with a gas fireplace, custom stone touches, and beautiful amenities as we flow into the kitchen. Our kitchen proudly boasts granite countertops with a beautiful island, a custom backsplash, modern cabinets, and all appliances included. Our eat-in area, and this door steps out to our fully covered back deck complete with a gas fireplace. Huge walk-in pantry, and this pocket door steps to our utility room and out to our oversized garage. Our main hall bathroom, also granite countertops and tile floors. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3 with a beautiful window, and now our master bedroom. Tall custom ceilings, this enormous walk-in closet, and our master bath has dual vanity sinks, tile floors, and this low step-in shower. Our lower level family room is extra large and perfect for entertaining, complete with a wet bar, custom backsplash, and this door steps out to our lower level patio and backyard. Bedroom 4, bedroom 5 with an enormous closet, and here's our 3rd full bathroom. Tons of multiple storage areas and another way to step outside. 2504 Spanish Bay Drive sits on a cul-de-sac street with beautiful curb appeal, great landscaping, and offers so many upgraded touches like pocket doors, custom stone and wood accents, beautiful covered back deck, and so much more that needs to be seen to be fully appreciated.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.